Okay, so I will be washing my bicycle. As you can tell, it's pretty dirty. It was pretty muddy last time I was riding it. So this is what I do. This is my home built stand. I don't have a kickstand, so I just built this in my garage, and all I do to raise the rear wheel to clean the chain, it's just a piece of 2x4, and the wheel is a little bit above the ground so that I can easily spin it when cleaning the chain. So first we will start with water. So we are going to wash everything that just comes off with water. It's a low pressure. In the next step, we'll use the bicycle degreaser and basically just spray it on the chain and on all the gears to clean it up. I'm guessing that's more than enough. Now we'll use a brush that comes with the chain clean kit and just brush in between all the gears. Now we'll use this chain cleaner to start cleaning the chain. Actually, I'm supposed to spin it the other way around, but I need both hands. And this is why we need the 2x4, so we can easily spin the chain around and clean it. Okay, I'll need my hand. I'm turning off the camera. So now that we have all the grease removed from the bike, we'll use the soapy water to wash the bike. Usually when the bike is just lightly dirty and I'm mainly washing the chain, I skip that step, but today you can tell it just hosed off the dirt so you get washed. Here. So we'll take soapy water and wash the bike. Hose off the bike again. We'll use some paper towel to dry off the chain. Let me see if I can hold it. All I want to do is just basically clean the chain, dry the chain. So you still have to wait for it to dry well. I want to help it dry, and you can see the chain is pretty clean. I mean, before we apply the lubricant, just give it a few more minutes, let it dry, and I'll show you how to apply the lubricant next. So the chain is dry, I would say 90% dry. So we are going to apply the bicycle chain lubricant. Basically the way it works, just going to spray it very lightly on the chain. One thing, just move it a little bit. Want to have even coverage. Probably best way to be just keep on spraying here when with the second hand rotating the pedals. Well, I don't have that luxury with my camera, if you hold it. One thing you have to be careful is not to spray any of that grease on your brakes, and that would be it. Just a little bit on the where we use the lubricant, the grease remover. And that's it.